ready to bring your dream website to life without writing a single line of code. Let's jump into Wix and I'll show you how to create an awesome website in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Wix.com and click Get Started to create your account. Now it's time for the fun part, choosing a template. Wix offers tons of professionally designed templates categorized by industry, so find one that closely matches your vision. Don't worry, you can customize almost everything later. Once you select a template, you'll land in the Wix Editor, where the magic happens. Everything you see is drag and drop. Want to change the text? Just click and type. Swapping out images is a breeze as well. You can upload your own photos or choose from Wix's free image library. Need more pages? Click the Pages and menu icon on the left to add new pages for your About Us, services, or anything else you need. And to add content, just click the Add button. You'll find everything from text boxes and buttons to stunning image galleries. Before you go live, preview your website to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. Happy with the results? Then hit publish. Congratulations! Your website is now live and ready to shine with Wix. Building a website is surprisingly easy, so what are you waiting for? Get started today and unleash your online presence.